A long time ago, people had no rulers. When they needed to buy cloth from the trader, they used the cubit to measure how much cloth should be traded. The cubit is the distance from a man's elbow to the tip of his middle finger.
Look at all that beautiful cotton material on sale. Let's buy some cloth to make curtains.
Which store shall we buy from? They are selling them at the same price per cubit.
Not really. I would need 5 cubits of cloth if I buy from the first seller. If I buy from the second seller, I would probably need 8 cubits because he has shorter arms.
You're right. Let's go to the taller man's store.
The cubit is not a very fair way of measuring cloth. To standardize the units of measurement, the metric system was proposed in France in 1670. The following are some commonly used standard units of measurement. Find the mass of each of the following by dragging them onto the measuring scale. For the measurement of mass, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Thus, 5 kilograms is equivalent to 5,000 grams, and 258 milligrams is 0.258 grams. This conversion in units can also be made by moving the decimal point. Can you convert each of the given masses into the given unit? For the measurement of length, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Here are some examples. Let's try converting each of the following lengths into the given unit. Click on the correct answer. For the measurement of capacity, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Thus, 5.6 liters is 5,600 milliliters, and 42 milliliters is 0.042 liters. Now let us do some conversions in capacity. We can tell the time using either a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock. In the 12-hour clock, we use AM to indicate morning and PM to indicate afternoon, evening, and night. In the 24-hour clock, we add 12 hours to indicate afternoon, evening, and night. For example, 1 PM is known as 1300 hours in the 24-hour clock. Can you fill in each box with the correct time? For the measurement of time, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. We cannot convert units of time by shifting decimal places. Can you fill each of the stopwatches with correct conversion of time? Mr. Kang is an egg seller at the Marine Parade Market. He buys eggs from the wholesaler early in the morning and brings them to the wet market for sale. Today he bought 200 eggs for $15.20. While selling the eggs, some were broken and discarded. He sold the remaining eggs at 12 cents each and made a profit of $7. How many eggs were broken? Let us first analyze the information that was given. To solve this problem, we can apply the strategy of working backwards. When goods are bought at a certain price referred to as the cost price and sold later at another price referred to as the selling price, the result can be a profit, gain, or a loss. We calculate the profit or loss as follows. Study the following question. Can you work it out on your own? A vegetable seller bought 20 sacks of potatoes at $16 per sack. There were 24 kilograms of potatoes in each sack. A total of 15 kilograms of potatoes were rotten and thrown away. If the vegetable seller made a profit of $28.75, for how much did he sell each kilogram of potatoes? Sometimes it's useful to draw a diagram to illustrate the information given in a problem. It helps us to visualize what is happening and puts us in a better position to solve the problem. James and his brother cycled from Al Junid to the East Coast Park. At 1:35 p.m. they were 5 kilometers from Al Junid and 11 kilometers from the East Coast Park. At 2:20 p.m. they stopped to rest halfway through their journey at a coffee shop in Katong. What was the speed the brothers cycled from 1:35 p.m. to 2:20 p.m.? The diagram tells us that the total distance is 5 plus 11 kilometers equals 16 kilometers. It also means that halfway through the journey, the brothers would be 8 kilometers from Al Junid. In other words, the two brothers cycled 3 kilometers from 1:35 p.m. to 2:20 p.m. How much time did they take to travel the 3 kilometers? What was the speed the brothers cycled from 1:35 p.m. to 2:20 p.m.? This is the timetable of a fast train. From the table, we can easily get the information we want. For example, from town J to town E, the train fare is 70 cents, and the travel time is 7 minutes. Based on the table given, answer the following questions. How long does it take to travel from town J to town D? Between which two towns is the travelling time the longest? Peter has to travel from town K to town D to meet his friend. Then both of them plan to visit a park in town I. How much will they spend on the train fare altogether? Ranjit boarded the train at town H at 08:15 to go to his office in town A. When will he arrive in town A? The following problem can be solved by model drawing. Can you figure it out?